Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to conduct a paired samples t-test in Excel. If you haven't already installed the add-ins for Excel, you'll need to do that now. And if you need help with this, I have two videos, one showing you how to do that in Windows and another showing you how to do that in a Mac. So you should check out those videos if you need help with that. We are going to be looking at case 13.1 Coastal Star sales data. And to conduct the paired samples t-test, we will look at previous sales versus current sales for the salespeople here. And the reason why it's paired is because we are going to be looking at the previous sales and the current sales for each individual. And so it pairs that, and we do not have independence between our two groups. Now, if I wanted to conduct an independent samples t-test, we could look at those in the northern region versus those in the southern region. But right now, we're just going to compare previous sales to current sales. So what I've done is I've computed the average for the previous sales and the current sales, and descriptively, we can see that current sales is larger than previous sales. So to test whether this is statistically significant, we would look at our data analysis toolpack, and we would select the t-test paired to sample for means. And our variable one is going to be this previous sales range here, and our variable two is going to be our current sales range. And we will select the labels because we do have the previous sales and the current sales label. And our alpha is our cutoff value, 0.05. That's pretty typical for our research. And we will select the new worksheet. Click OK. And this is our output. So here you can see that we have the same mean for both our previous sales and our current sales as is shown here. So that is exactly the same, and we can use that to verify that yes, that's what we're looking at. We also have the variance computed, our observations, they match, and then we have the correlation between current sales and previous sales. So that gives us an indication that previous sales and current sales are positively related to each other, and this relation is very strong. Now, whenever we go to look at the t-statistic, that may be very difficult for us to interpret if we don't have a statistical background. So mainly what I want you to focus on is this p-value here, and we'll look at the p-value for a one-tail because we know that current sales is larger because we descriptively we already looked at that and we noticed, okay, current sales is larger, and so we're looking at that in one direction. And our p-value, because it's at 0.08, we can't say that this is significant because our cutoff value is 0.05. So we can say that the difference between previous sales and current sales is explainable by chance alone in this case. Now, if this was at the 0.05 level, then we could say it's not easily explained by chance alone. So I have shown you how to conduct a t-test in Excel, specifically a paired samples t-test. In another video, I'll show you how to conduct an independent samples t-test and the procedures that go along with that. So be looking out for that video. If you have any other questions, you can email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu. Thanks. Bye-bye.